The 6 variable K map. 2 power 6 is equal to 64. So 0 to 63 cells are used here. For 6 variable K map, to implement that we are using 4 variable K map. The first K map is represented for 0 to 15 variables. The second K map is 16 to 31. The third K map is 32 to 47. The fourth K map is 48 to 63 cells. So the first K map 0 to 15, the equivalent binary representation is given. Here the variables are represented as A, B here, common variable for the cells, and here C, D, E, F. The common variable for all cells are taken, the variable is AB. This is 0, 0 for the first cell, 0, 1 for the second cell, 1, 0 for the third cells, and 1, 1 for the fourth cell. Now we will see the proof for that. AB is equal to 0, 0. For this cells, 0 to 15 is represented. For this case, the AB is equal to 0, 0. Now the second cell 16 to 31. For that case AB is equal to 0, 1. The proof is 0, 1 for 16 to 31 cases. Now 32 to 47 AB is equal to 1, 0. So here 1, 0 is given here for 32 to 47 representation. Now 1, 1 for 48 to 63. Here the proof is 1, 1 for 48 to 63 cells. The equivalent min terms, binary representation, and decimal is here for each cells. This is the 6 variable K map. Now we are assuming the 4 K maps are overlap each other. That is the 4 K variables, 6 variable K maps are parallel to each other. So now we will see the adjacency. The cell 0, 16, 48 and 32 are having adjacency. Similarly, cell 4, 20, 52 and 36 having adjacency. The same way the cell 8, 24, 56 and 40 are adjacency. That is 4 K variable maps are parallel each other. The corresponding places are having an adjacency. In this example, we are going to simplify by using 6 variable Karnaugh map. So for the 6 variable Karnaugh map, 4 variable K map is drawn. Then we are writing the equivalent, we are placing the ones to the corresponding cells. Now let's see the common between all the cells. Now the red cell grouping having adjacent to all the cells. So AB term is eliminated for this cell, and the green color grouping is present alone in the first K map, and here the purple color cell is alone present in the second K map. Now we will see how to write the expressions. The red color grouping is common for all the K map. So we are writing AB term is eliminated. Then we are writing D, E bar and F. Now let's write the expression for the green color. Green color is present only in this K map. So we are writing A bar, B bar, then E bar, F. Similarly, the purple color grouping is present only this grouping. So we are writing the expression for this one is AB is 0, 1. And that is A bar, B, then D, and the common between here is F. So A bar, B, D, F. For this example, first we are placing the ones to the corresponding cells. Now we are checking the adjacency. The only one cell is the blue color grouping is common in all this maps. So this is AB term is eliminated in this grouping. So the answer is D bar, E bar, F bar. And in this red color grouping is present only in this cell. So we are writing for in this map 1, 0. So we are writing A, B bar, C bar, D, E, F. and in this green color grouping is present in these two cells. So AB and AB10 and 11, A is common, so we are taken A. Then we are written the other expressions of C bar, D bar, and the common between the first and last is F bar. So written here. Now these two red cells are common between these two cells. In these two cells, the common is B bar. So we are writing B bar, and here the common is C bar, then E bar, F bar. This is the expressions. For this example, first we are placing ones to the corresponding cells. Now in this example, all four cells don't have any common grouping of cells. So we are checking map by map. First we are comparing these two map and we see the adjacencies. These two orange cells are common between these two K maps. So we are taking the adjacency between these two cells. So the common terminal is B bar. So we are writing B bar, C bar, E, F bar. And the red color grouping is common between these two map. These two map, the AB common term is A bar, and here this is C. So A bar C is an answer. Now this green color grouping, the between these two, A bar is common. Then here D, and the common between these two is E bar. So A bar, D, E bar. Now let's see the common between these two maps. These two maps, total three groupings are common. First is see about the pink combinations. These two maps, the common AB terminal is B. So we are writing B, and C bar, D bar, and common between these two is E. So B, C bar, D bar, E is an answer. Now coming to the blue color cell, the common terminal AB is B, and writing C, D, the common between these two cells is E bar. Now yellow cells, the common terminal is B, then C, D, common between these two is F. Now let's see the blue color grouping. The blue color grouping is coming under only these cells. So the AB is represented as A bar, B, and common between these two cells is D bar. So it's written A bar, B, D bar. In this example, we are reducing the expression with the don't care terms. So now let's see the common grouping between all K-maps. The red color grouping is common for all the K-maps. Remaining all the K-maps, all the grouping of map is not common. Now let's write the expression for the red color. So here the red color grouping is common between all the K maps. So AB term is eliminated. So the term is C bar D. Now this green color is common between these two maps. These two maps common between AB terminal is A bar, and here D, and the common between these two is F. So A bar DF is an answer. Now this yellow color is common between these two map. These two map, AB common term is A, and here the common is C bar, then D, E bar, F. Then now this blue color map is common between these two. So from these two map, B bar is a common terminal from AB. Then we are writing C, D bar, E bar, F bar. Now let's see this map. This is common between this map is present only in this K map. So we are writing the expression for this map is A bar B, and here E F bar. Thank you.